Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hello traders, this is Jason with the market outlook. The US dollar index dropped for the fourth straight session on Wednesday, falling to 98.25. Traders are bracing for possible leadership changes at the Federal Reserve. Weak economic data has driven expectations for a rate cut in September to nearly 90%. The ISM Services Index showed a surprise stall, while July's jobs report revealed only 73,000 new payrolls. WTI crude reversed earlier gains and fell 1.50% on Wednesday, closing at $63.60 per barrel, its fifth straight daily loss and a 6-week low. Prices initially rose after Trump signed an executive order imposing 25% tariffs on Indian goods targeting India's imports of Russian oil. A larger than expected 3 million barrel drop in US crude inventories offered brief support. However, remarks from Secretary of State Marco Rubio hinting at potential sanctions on Russia later in the day added uncertainty, limiting upside. Gold prices slipped to a new daily low in early European trading, snapping a 4-day winning streak that had pushed prices near a 2-week high. A shift in risk sentiment visible in upbeat equity markets drove flows out of safe haven assets like gold. Still, several supporting factors may limit losses. Last Friday's weaker than expected US jobs report and Tuesday's disappointing ISM Services PMI have reignited concerns over the health of the US economy. The Japanese yen weakened on Wednesday, touching around 147.50 and extending its previous session losses. Disappointing wage data renewed economic concerns. Real wages in Japan fell for a 6th consecutive month in June, with inflation still outpacing pay growth. This complicates the Bank of Japan's path toward policy tightening. BOJ meeting minutes showed willingness to tighten policy if trade tensions ease, but finance ministry officials also stressed the need for flexibility in bond buying to maintain market stability. Euro continued its upward momentum on Wednesday, breaking above the 1.16 mark and hitting a 1-week high, trading near 1.1650 during US hours. With the US dollar under pressure, major currency pairs are stabilizing ahead of expected announcements on Fed leadership changes. In the Eurozone, traders are focused on June's retail sales data, a key gauge of consumer spending, which could influence the Euro's near-term direction.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.